Hello everybody. Hope you are having an amazing time. I am Fidel. I am in Sergaon, Arunachal Pradesh. So this is the best noodle soup I have ever tasted. Take some broccoli, dip it in the dal. This is my day 3 and I am trying out Thukpa, chicken Thukpa here. I'm also having some omelet made in their signature style, and I have ordered roti, sabji, some broccoli fry, veggies, and some local chutneys here. And let me see how it tastes like. Let's try with the thukpa first. As you can see, these are chicken bits, some chopped onions. These are cabbages. So let's give it a try. Let's taste the soup first. Wow, this is very mild. I think this is chicken broth, and I think they have they have used chicken bones for the broth, and tastes really very good. It's so refreshing and mild. Let's try the chicken bits. So good. Oh, this is really good. Let's give a taste to the noodles. Wow, Thukpa in Arunachal Pradesh. Wow, this is so good. This is so good. Now let's add some chutney. Let's give it a mix. This is chili chutney. This is really good. Now let's move on to the roti and sabji. Let's give it a try. Roti sabji is one of my favorite breakfast. So let's take some broccoli, dip it in the dal. Wow. Let's take a slice of omelet here. Wow, this is good. Roti, sabzi, and omelet. This goes really very well. You should really give it a try. Let's dip in some chutney, some bhaji. Wow, roti, sabzi, bhaji, and omelet. It's the best go-to breakfast in India. No matter wherever you go in India, we'll always get this combination. Thukpa, you won't get anywhere in India, but you have to go to Sikkim, or you have to go to Bhutan, you have to go to Nepal or Arunachal Pradesh, or in any kind of northeastern Indian states. This is the best noodle soup I have ever tasted in India. This is really very good. This tastes really very good. It is signature Indian noodle soup. Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe. This is a local trout farm in Sargaon, and I am going to take few trouts home. Today I am returning home. So as you can see, it's amazing, and the way he's fishing with those nets. Lots of trout, rainbow trouts and different types of trouts. I'm going to take some. Of ডাঙৰ size. Amazing, look at that color. Eto kiman hobo? Duta di dia. Wow. .3. So everyone, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. I hope you have loved this series of Arunachal Pradesh. I will be uploading more videos from different locations